Look at that box, that's so f***ing cool. Most beautiful sparkle blue color that I've ever seen in my life. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back over here at Southern Tire down in McDonough, Georgia. If you guys haven't seen the last video, make sure you guys go check it out. I've got something pretty exciting today that I'm gonna show you guys. I got a super special truck that I wanna show you guys. This truck was actually at the show that Bam threw maybe 3 or 4 months ago. I just didn't get around to filming it while it was there. I'm up here hanging out for the day and look who shows up, just this beautiful truck. So he's actually got a lift kit that's in the shop that we're gonna go take a look at, but I do wanna do a little bit of a walk around of his beautiful truck today. I'm gonna start with the obvious here and let you guys know that this is probably the most beautiful color on a Silverado that I've ever seen. And this is paint, it's definitely not a wrap, and it's a factory color. And it's just just the most beautiful sparkle blue color that I've ever seen in my life. My dad actually had a drum set when I was younger that was blue sparkle like this. It wasn't as fine sparkle, it was a little bit bigger sparkle, but I wanna make note right at the beginning how beautiful this color is, and hopefully the camera picks up. Obviously what you guys can see, we've got some 24x12s with some 2-inch spacers. We got the Gladiator tires. American Forces, he keeps these things super clean, and they literally, and that's what caught my eye first when he pulled up, is how clean these wheels are. I'm like, holy shit, who is that? You know, what truck is that? I haven't seen American Forces this clean in a long time, and he would probably tell me they're not clean, but if you guys have seen my truck, you know my truck's never clean, so this is immaculate to me. I think this truck is so beautiful and wanted to make sure that we, you know, got a video in with it today. He does have some speakers on the inside. Are the speakers under the seat? Oh, look at that. Look at that custom box in there. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, hey, that's cool. The speakers? Is that custom? MTI. So that's a custom. That's not like from the factory. I would assume not. I'm an idiot for thinking that. Look how freaking cool that is. Look at that box. That's so cool. Damn, with the subs in there. Can y'all see that? That's so damn cool. Got nice black leather in here. You keep this thing pretty clean. High country. Damn, I want one of these. So he's got a rough country lift kit on it currently, but he's got some new stuff on the way. He's got some 26s on the way, and he's got a Mcgaughy's lift kit that's already in the shop that's powder coated to match the truck that we're gonna go take a look at. But I want to show you guys the setup now, because next time this truck is on the channel, it will look completely different. It'll be definitely a step up from what it is now, but it looks beautiful. Right now, it looks absolutely beautiful. But next time you see it, I can't wait.
I'm gonna go ahead and grab it. Get the new one right here, the old one. New ones, the old one, not reset his system. Probably look at it and tell which one's the new and the old.
Yeah, it's hard for me to bend.
No, you're good. I don't want to grab the biggest piece possible. Yeah. Hey, look, you got a sticker down there, you see? Grab me something out of there so I can see it.
Yeah, springs.
Man, you got all kinds of cool stuff up here. Yeah, those are 4-play. 4-play?
Yeah.
Oh, let me see that.
I was actually considering them though. They just don't come in the 26.
Oh, man. You got to pull this out into the sun for me. But it's going to say...
Put it up close to the truck. See how close it is?
Oh, it's way different, dude.
Huh?
It's way different.
I mean, you won't be able to tell up under the truck.
Look at that color, though.
That's good.
Holy shit.
Put it on the tire. It's got a sparkle and everything.
Damn.
That's really close.
That's really close, yeah. People aren't gonna be able to tell. You know what color that is? Is that like illusion blue? Sky blue? It's got that sparkle in it. That looks really good. I'm excited to see that.
There's another truck coming out like mine. He's got some one-off dub wheels. He ain't sent them to me yet. They're done, but he a dub.
He won't show them to you?
Yeah.
For my Ford fans, the mud graps. It's been a while since I've seen a set of mud graps on the new F-150. I've always wanted a set of mud graps, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I'll ever get a set though. Alright guys, I'm back at the dealership and I need your opinion, I need your help. What should I do with the exhaust? Should I have it, because it's cut like right about here. Should I have it come down and out the side right here like a 45? Or do I axle dump it? Leave your comments below. Let me know what you guys think I should do. There probably will be a sound difference. The axle dump will probably be louder, and that's kind of what I want to go with, but I'm not opposed to this. Leave your comments below. Let me know what you guys think I should do. I'm trying to figure out something by the end of the week. I'm tired of the way this sounds. Honestly, I absolutely hate it. So let me know. Guys, before we end the video off today. You. I love James. In the next video, if you guys want to see, James got a new car. If you guys want to see a review of James' new car, make sure you guys hit the like button so we can do that. Show some love to James in the comments. James Hose with 3 E's. First test hat, what you think? You like that? I'm asking you.
Me?
Yeah, you like that? You got the, just kind of basic, but
that's,
I mean,
that's better than what you were saying. I like that.
So I wanted to do like a burgundy red, and then I've got a camo one coming. So I've got a burgundy red and a camo. I think at some point this week, these hats are gonna be available on the website, but only for a week. I'm gonna do pre-orders for like a week if you guys want these. If you guys want them, drop some comments below. I'll put them on the website. Maybe do like 1 week of pre-orders. I'm doing a lot of limited stuff. I'm taking a lot of colors off the website just because I feel like I've got too many colors. I'm doing a lot of rebranding on the website. Some new designs coming. But if you guys do want this color, this design exactly, let me know in the comments, and I'll probably, like I said, I'll probably add them on the website for like a week and do pre-orders for a week. But I'm a fan of the red. Red, maybe? I kind of like it. How do you want to end the video off today, James?
I spit in the face of people that are not cool.
Let's get this bread.